jar. Now back to me. Now look at the jar. Now back to me. Sadly, the jar is empty, but it doesn't need to stay that way. Become part of our Lenten Giving Project, and the jar will fill.
Look at the menu. Now back to me. Look at the menu. Now back to me. Don't go to the restaurant. Eat at home instead. Put your savings in the jar. Savings in your jar equals help for Haiti.
Look at the soda. Now back to me. Look at the soda. Now back to me. A simple sacrifice like giving up soda could allow you to save money to help Haitian families. Remember, anything is possible when we work together. St. Joe's, are you up for the challenge?
Look at them. Look at me. I'm going to fill my jar up